Good morning everyone. Today, on the auspicious occasion of National Sports Day, we, the members of DAV Parivar Nimapada, welcome you, all of you, to this observation platform. Before going to start the program, I request everyone to stand up for the DAV guide.
सलिल सदैव ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो जहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय धीरे जय जय धीरे जय जय प्रबल प्रवाहमयी नित नूतन जीवन दायिनी सदा सनातन वेद प्रणीता परम पुनीता हे धारा अक्षय धीरे जय जय धीरे जय जय दयानंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले हंस राज से त्याग शक्ति ले धर्म भक्ति का राष्ट्र शक्ति का वो दिन मान उदय धीरे जय जय सुख समृद्धि इसकी लहरे प्रेम शांति इसके तट ठहरे सघन शांतिमय प्रबल कांतिमय ये अटल निश्चय धीरे जय जय धीरे जय जय।
Thank you everyone. This is a common saying that if money is lost, nothing is lost. But if health is lost, everything is lost. With this, to observe this National Sports Day, I request our esteemed principal sir to lighten the holy lamp and garland the portrait of Major Dhyan Chand. Sir, please. Today is 29 August. Every year, this day is celebrated to pay tribute to the legendary hockey player Major Dhyanchand. On this auspicious day, we, the Deviants, also kept the name and fame of our institutions in different sports and games. To say something about this auspicious day, I welcome S. Mahavir Prasad Pradhan, a student of class 10 of Aruni House, to deliver his speech on this auspicious occasion. Mahavir, please.
When we sit, we generate fears, but when we act, we overcome it. With this thought, a fabulous known to everyone present over here, respected principal sir, respected teachers, and my all dear friends. Myself is Mahavir Prasad of class 10 of DAP Public School, Limapada, is going to give a speech on the topic, the National Sports Day. So, as we all know that the 29th of August is the National Sports Day, and it is the birthday of the legend Major Dhyanchand, who is the best sports person ever to have graced the game of hockey. This is a game which has a special place among we Indians, but our younger generations sometimes look back with a sense of disbelief with the golden era of the Indian hockey, when we had won 3 Olympic golds in the years 1928, 1932 and 1936. That era was led by none other than Major Dhyanchand himself. This Allahabad boy of UP was born to Sameshwar Dutt Singh, joined the Indian Armed Forces early at the age of 16, but unfortunately never played hockey in his childhood days. But later on, with a good pace, he was attracted by the game and quickly represented the Indian team. There is also a legendary story about himself that his skills were too good and godly at once instance that his opponent went on physically to check his stick, whether he used any special glue to which the ball stick to the stick. After putting the stamp on the international hockey arena and serving our nations in the hockey game, he took his last breath on 3rd December 1979. My dear colleagues, sports is a very crucial activity that must be performed by everyone, which helps us to enhance some several qualities like a sense of togetherness, hard work, patriotism, discipline, etc. The most notable memorial of him is the Major Dhyanchand Award, which is the largest award of lifetime achievement in the fields like sports and games in India, and even the National Sports Day is celebrated on his birthday. So my dear colleagues, this day is not only a day to tribute him, who is one of the greatest of the game, but also it is an important reminder for all of us to be in the sports games and involved. And at last but not the least, I would like to conclude my words. Thank you, and have a fabulous day ahead.
Thank you, Mahavir, for your speech, which will help you, your friends, in this field of sports and games. Now, I like to invite our English teacher, Mr. Saroj Kumar Das sir, for his speech on this auspicious patriotic day. Sir, please.
Good morning, Principal sir, and all my respected colleagues. Today, 29th August, we celebrate it as National Sports Day nationwide. It is an occasion that sees the national honors for the sporting heroes with recognition, like Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award, Arjun Award for exceptional contributions of the sports talents, and Dronacharya Award for the coaches. This is the day to pay tribute to the legendary player, the hockey wizard, Major Dhyanchand. Also, this is the day to encourage the youngsters, the sports stars of our India for their dreams to come successful. It is a fact of national pride, and you will all be glad to know it that our national hockey team, the national game of India, and our national hockey team is the most successful hockey team in the Olympic history. And now I am going to share some amazing facts regarding it. Indian national hockey team won its first gold medal in Amsterdam Olympics in 1928. Then the success story rolled on, and next time Indian hockey team, national hockey team, won gold medal in Los Angeles Olympics in 1932, gold in Berlin Olympics in 1936, gold in London Olympics in 1948, gold in Helsinki Olympics in 1952, gold in Melbourne Olympics in 1956, silver medal in Rome Olympics in 1960, gold medal in Tokyo Olympics in 1964, bronze medal in Mexico Olympics in 1968, bronze medal in Munich Olympic in 1972, gold medal in Moscow Olympics in 1980, and after 41 years this year in Tokyo Olympic, Indian hockey team has won the bronze medal. The youth represent the most dynamic and vibrant segment of the population, and India is such a country where 65% of its population are young, are under 35 years old. The government of India makes significant investment on programs for the youth for different kind of sports. The state government and other stakeholders are working to support youth and sports development in India. Dear audience, sports is a very important activity for young students. It develops multiple qualities like sense of brotherhood, sense of togetherness, leadership skill, stamina, physical strength, planning, strategy, patriotism, and teamwork. National Sports Day reminds us the importance of sports in our life. India has produced many young sports stars this year like Mirabai Chanu, Aditi Ashok, Bajrang Punia, Neeraj Chopra, Lovelina Borgen, Ravi Dahia, and many other sports stars. It is the hope and dream of every Indian that several sportsmen should come ahead to spotlight India's pride in international level. With this dream, I conclude my speech. Thank you.
Thank you, Saroj sir, for your vibrant and motivational speech. I hope this will help our students to know more and more, to get more knowledge in our national sports, that is hockey. Now, I would like to invite our esteemed Honorable Principal Sir to say something on this auspicious National Day to our beloved kids. Sir, please.
Namaskar, good morning everyone. Dear students, parents and staff members, today is National Sports Day. This day is observed in India since 2012 because on this day the great Major Dhyan Chand was born, that is 29th of August. On his birthday, India celebrates National Sports Day. Major Dhyan Chand initially had joined the Indian Army and gradually he was promoted to major. In between he served the Indian Army as a soldier, as a subedar, and then he became the major. He was an excellent sports person in the game of hockey. He was called the hockey wizard, and when the ball struck to his hockey stick, the ball never left the stick till the ball reached the goal post. He has scored around 1,000 goals. May I tell to my dear students and people who are watching this observation of National Sports Day, now we have many great sports personalities in India who are living great lives during their days of playing the game as well as sports legends. P.T. Usha, she has been given the name Udan Pari. She has uplifted the spirit of many athletes who ran down the tracks of various games, maybe Olympics or maybe Federation Games or maybe National Games. Sachin Tendulkar, nicknamed as Master Blaster, one of the greatest cricketers India has ever produced. Kapil Dev Nikhanj, one of the greatest all-rounder. Under his leadership, India won the 1983 World Cup. Sania Mirza, the lawn tennis player from Hyderabad. Sania Nehwal, the badminton player. So like this, the list continues. And in connecting with the present Olympics, may I apprise the House that India has got a good performance in this particular recently held Olympics in Tokyo. Being the second largest highly populated country, I feel it that a lot of importance is to be given and India would have won more medals looking into the population. We are happy that India has good performance this time, but we need to perform still better. And may I apprise the House that many of these sports personalities like Neeraj Chopra, who won the gold medal, is from the DAV. The members of the hockey team, Manpreet Singh, the captain, Harmanpreet Singh, the vice captain, Gurjant Singh, Hardik Singh, Shamsher Singh, Varun Kumar, Simranjit Singh, Dilpreet Singh. So these players of the Indian hockey team, Varun Kumar, these players of the Indian hockey team whom I named, belonging to the DAV schools, who studied in DAV schools. So it's a proud moment for us that we have some DAVians in the list of the hockey players as well as the Neeraj Chopra who won the gold medal in javelin. So congratulations not only to them, congratulations to all, starting from Mirabai Chanu, who won the silver medal in weightlifting in women's 49 kg, and to all the members of the Indian hockey team for bringing the bronze medal in Indian hockey tournament. PV Sindhu, who brought bronze medal in women's single badminton. Lovlina Borgohain, who got bronze medal in women's water weight boxing. Ravi Kumar Dhaya, who won silver medal in men's 57 kg wrestling. Bajranga Punia, for winning bronze medal in the men's freestyle 65 kg wrestling. And already I have told that about Neeraj Chopra, the gold medal in men's javelin throw. His score was 87.58. First gold medalist from India in Olympics in 2021. Now may I tell you, dear students and everyone, that by devoting some time to sports and games, we are maintaining our physique. In this present situation of this pandemic, health has become very important, and we all are conscious about health and hygiene. Hygiene means cleanliness, health refers to the physical, mental and social well-being of an individual. Physical, your physique; mental, your mindset; social, your relationship with everyone in the place where you live in. If a person is sound in all these three directions, then the person is considered to be healthy. So by playing sports and games, when we do some physical exercise, a lot of good things happen to our body. The efficiency of blood circulation increases, our muscular power increases, our energy level increases, we develop a good physique, and we burn a lot of fat in our body, which is very much required. So, keeping all these facts into consideration, if we think other aspects of sports and games, those persons who are winning different games are of course legends for everyone, and they are also financially very strong. In today's generation, many of the companies like Sahara, like MRF, like Jio, and many banks, they are sponsoring the sports personalities and events. This was not happening earlier. Realizing the importance of the fact that sports and games are quite important, and these companies are pouring a huge amount of money into these events, and one can reach to greater heights if he or she is having good ability in sports and games. There are many players, despite of the fact that team loses, the players are recognized also. So there was a proverb, very old proverb in Hindi, पढ़ोगे गुनोगे हुओगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदोगे हुओगे खराब. If you study, read and write, you will become a good a rich person and lead a very good lifestyle. And if you play, then you spoil your life. This proverb has been proved wrong. Now people say, खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब. The new proverb says like this. And we are having bright examples of this. And as Mr. Saroj has already told you, by playing sports, you develop a lot of abilities in yourself. The teamwork you develop, the winning ability you develop, the leadership quality you develop, and as you know, winning and losing are parts of games, so you learn to win and you learn to accept defeat also. That is what a good sportsman is. Who wins is happy and loses also realizes and is familiar with his counterparts. Winning and losing are part of your sports and games. We have to accept this. Similarly, we have to accept this in our life, and it is best taught in the games and sports, which is very practical and visible, and it is acknowledged. So dear students, on this National Sports Day, my advice to all of you, please spend some time at home to perform aerobics, to perform yoga, and play some physical games in your spare time to keep yourself fit and healthy. God bless you. Thank you. Jai Hind. Vande Utkal.
Thank you, sir, for this inspirational, valuable and motivational thoughts. It will help the youth a lot to maintain a healthy life in this pandemic situation. Now, it is the time to wind up for our program. Let me call upon Vishwaranjan sir on stage to propose vote of thanks on this day. Sir, please.
Thank you, Kalyani Madam. I am privileged to get this opportunity to offer vote of thanks on this auspicious day of National Sports Day. On the very first occasion, I feel sorry that our students, our dear students, are not present in the campus because of this COVID-19 pandemic. So my core of the heart, I first salute and give them thank you that they are present with us in virtual mode. On this occasion, I want to give a special thanks to our students S. Mahavir Prasad for his very nice speech, and all the students those who are present with us, also parents and other members those who have joined with us virtually. Here in this occasion, I want to thank our sports department, the sports secretary, PT sir of the school, and all the members, those who are directly and indirectly join hand to make this auspicious occasion a successful one. In this moment, I give a special thanks to Mrs. Kalyani Tisi Misra for coordinating the program, and with me, the team, Sri Amulya Kumar Satpathy, Sri Sarat Chandra Patra sir, Saroj Kumar Das sir. You have seen his nice speech on this occasion. Sir, thank you. And Sri Ramachandra Ojha sir. We all are in the campus to celebrate this great occasion, and the man behind all these activities, starting from planning to execution, none other than our esteemed principal sir. Sir, I thank you from my core of heart. I also thanks all my colleagues and all grade 4 department, especially Deepak Kumar Panda, Ashok Kumar Panda, and all the staff members of this school on this auspicious occasion. Thank you all. May God bless all of us, and very soon we will meet in this campus, and with pomp and show we will celebrate the sports day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your thankfulness, and I also thank you everyone, and thank to our principal sir to guide us to make this program successful. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.
अगर डीएवी तय कर ले कि जब ओलंपिक होगा तब डीएवी का छात्र